She's due on
Tuesday the 11th, September 11th is when she's due. She can have anywhere from 8 to 16 babies. I'm just here to help out, make sure they have water and food, and then I call the owner.
Oh, okay.
And she goes into labor.
How did they know with such accuracy the birth date?
You know, I'm not sure. Some of them I think might be artificially inseminated,
okay,
or there could be a pasture conception. I'm not sure. So.
And there's a litter that was just born this past.
She had 8 babies.
8 babies.
Yeah.
Why is she in that like pen like
that? It helps protect her and the babies, so if she has them, she doesn't accidentally crush them. Now, see how they can pull them right to the side and get them right under the lamp and everything for the baby's protection.
On the other side, there's a over here. Okay.
Yeah, they put them right through there. But she's able to get up and move around in there. She has her food and her water. There's like a little hose that comes through. She can pull water from that at any time.
And what have any of the babies been born live during the show yet?
I'll see you Monday.
No, not yet. And I did hear that most of the time it happens at nighttime.
Oh.
I think last year they said they had 2 that were births during the day.